Hey, it's Arand here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn your contact page or your thank you page into an affiliate income using a really cool software called Confetti. So let me show you exactly how this works. Let's pretend that this is your confirmation page after somebody joins your email list or submits some sort of inquiry on your website. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to install a confetti animation on your page. Now, here's how this works. So I'm in my confettis area. And what you want to do is you want to do two things. First of all, you want to become an affiliate. So if you click on this button, it's going to take you to this page and it's going to explain the entire affiliate program and how it works, and you need to register for it. So now, the commission on it is $5 or $20 depending on what people buy. And it's just a really simple upsell, and I'll show you how to do it. Now, once you've actually registered as an affiliate, you will click on this button and you'll be able to add your affiliate ID. I'm going to add my affiliate ID and I'm going to click on save. Once I've done that, I'm going to get my affiliate link right here and I'm going to copy it. Now, when I'm in the editor, I'm going to go and I'm going to grab a button and I'm going to put the button right here. Okay. Now on the button, I'm going to click on open URL and I'm going to paste the affiliate link right here. And I'm going to say open in a new window or open in the same window. It doesn't really matter in this particular instance. And then of course you can customize the button as you see fit. So in this case, I'm just going to click here and say, grab your checkout the confetti animation and get it on your own website too. Okay. Then you're going to delete what's here, add a little icon like so, and there you go. Okay. So now that you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to need to show them what is this confetti animation. Now, first of all, you're going to put a little comment right here and you're going to say, thanks for submitting your contact form. We will be in touch soon. In the meantime, you notice this confetti animation you saw on this page. You know you can create it for free and get it added to your website too. Click the button below to check it out. Okay. Now, what is this confetti animation, you might be wondering? So I'm going to go ahead and create this confetti animation. So it's visually going to be visible to people to see what it looks like. So to add the confetti, I need to copy the URL because it's got to be a specific URL. And this is just a demo, right? I'm going to click on create a confetti. I'm going to paste the URL, choose confetti colors. It's going to give me a bunch of options and this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to go with this one and I can also click on surprise me. Okay. And then choose which one I want basically. Then I'm going to click on choose the animation, medium, or make it fireworks, or just few, or make it pop, basically. Then I'm going to click on next, having the affiliate link, and I can choose if I want to have the affiliate ID basically included at the bottom of the page, basically, okay? So in this case, I'm just going to say yes, then I'm going to click next. I'm going to click on get copy with watermark. I'm going to click that I understand all these points, reveal, and then I'm going to copy the code. Then I'm going to go back to the page, click on edit the page, and then I'm going to add on the very top right here, the confetti animation. So I'm going to click on edit the code, paste it in, click on save changes. Now have a look at what it looks like when somebody lands on my page. They'll see this little confetti. You'll say, hey, this is great, whatever. And then I'm going to say, check out this animation. And when they click on this button, or if they click on this button, both of these are going to be my affiliate link, or in your case, your affiliate link. So that's how you do that. You don't even have to have that. You do need to pay for the software if you want to remove this and add it on your own pages in general as well. But either way, this is a great way to just convert your page into or your thank you page into some sort of income generation, basically, at no extra cost. This affiliate program is totally free to join, and it's actually my software company. So I wanted to record a little video for you to show you how you can turn your contact thank you page into an income, basically, through affiliate marketing. So I hope you get value from this tutorial. Again, go to ConfettiPage.com. You can check it out, and you can learn a little bit more about it. So yep, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll speak to you soon.